Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. We'll start off with levels of resistance. Usually I start off with supports, but the reason I want to start off with resistance is because it's a pretty pivotal point within the chart, and that's right here, the pink line, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see it act as support. And case in point here, let's just scrunch up the chart here. You can see that it's been doing a great job of acting as support. There, price bounced directly off it. Price bounced directly off it. Okay, didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree, got within the vicinity, bounced directly off it. Here, though, the price got down, and at this point did not bounce off of it, and you can see from that point forward, the price just continued to fall downwards, or in other words, the bears picked up that much more momentum. And foundational rule in charting, again, if you have just a surface deep understanding, I'm sure you've heard this rule, that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see that's already transpired once. So the price broke below it. Price tried to bounce, and surprise, surprise, look right where it got rejected, right up there at that 200 period simple moving average. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible for the bulls to get back above that level. I'm just saying that they're going to have to bring their A game to not only break above it, but stay above it. So 200 period simple moving average, the key area of resistance going into tomorrow. As far as levels of support are concerned, I think it bounced right off this level, but I don't know. Let's see how good my eyes are. Close, but not quite. So right there at $9.50, you can see here acted as support on a couple different occasions. And like I said, didn't quite hit it today, but got relatively close. So 950, that shorter term area of support. If the price cannot hold above there, the next overall level of support down there around the $9 mark. So that makes it easy. $9.50, $9, next couple of areas of support. So we'll see what happens with it, but the bears, without question, definitely gained some momentum, not only with a gap down, but they were able to break below that pink line, which, as I already showed, previously had been doing a great job of holding that support. So we'll just see, we'll see how much momentum the bears actually pick up, or who knows, maybe the bulls are bracing for some sort of bounce. We'll have to sit back and see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.